Hello everyone, today we are learning Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule stands for the preparation of alkyl halide. When unsymmetrical alkene react with unsymmetrical reagent, suppose we have an unsymmetrical alkene like what? A prop 1 in here, okay? Why we call it is a unsymmetrical? Because the number of carbon atom are imbalanced on the both side of what? The carbon-carbon double bond. When unsymmetrical alkene react with an unsymmetrical reagent, then the negative part of the reagent attaches to unsaturated carbon or doubly bonded carbon having less number of hydrogen atom. So here it gives you what? CH3 CHCl, and your CH2 becomes now what? CH3, and it has produced what? A 2-chloropropane, right? It has produced what? A 2-chloropropane. We need to understand the mechanism of this reaction, that how Cl minus attaches to CH and how H attaches to what? CH2. To define this, you must know the carbocation. What is a carbocation? A carbon having a positive charge, and the stability of carbocation is what? A tertiary, secondary and primary. Why tertiary carbocation is stable? That is also important. Suppose this carbocation is having a 3 electron donor group, right? So when 3 electron donor groups are available here, this positive charge will get neutralized and it acquires a less charge, and that's why the stability increases for the tertiary. Instead of that, when you have a secondary carbocation like that, the methyl group or electron donor which stabilize plus charge are less than what? A tertiary, and here this number again decreases. So stability of plus charge by electron donating group decreases when we move down from tertiary, secondary and primary. So this is what the important aspect of this reaction. Now let us go through the mechanism of this reaction, how propene react with what? Acid called as HCl. HCl is an acid which donates what? H plus, and H plus has a two choices to go to number 1 carbon atom, number 2 carbon atom, and how it will go. It is electron acceptor. It is electron deficient, so it will go towards number 1 and number 2 for accepting a electron. So let us check its choices. So suppose it is going towards what? A CH1, right? CH2 So the electron pair is donated to what? CH2, and CH2 donated to what? H, and becomes what? CH3. Because of the loss of electron, your CH becomes what? Plus, and I call it is a secondary carbocation. Okay. There is another choice for the H plus, that it may attack on what? The second carbon, that is CH, which has a number 2, and it can attack to CH to accept what? The electron from CH. So it will form what? A CH2, and this CH2 with the loss of electron becomes what? A CH2 plus, and called as a primary carbocation. It is called as what? A primary carbocation. So a minute before I told you that the secondary carbocation is more stable than what? A primary carbocation, and that's why this carbocation formation is major and this carbocation formation will be what? Minor. Now it is a time of the attack of what? The Cl minus, right? After the addition of H plus, we will add what? A Cl minus to secondary carbocation, and this will form what? CHCl with along with 2 CH3. We call it is a 2-chloropropane, right? And as I told you that this is your major product. When our Cl minus attack with the primary carbocation, this will produce CH3, CH2, CH2Cl, that is a 1-chloropropane, and this is what? A minor, because of the instability of primary, right? So based on it, we understood how negative part of the reagent attaches to the unsaturated carbon of unsymmetrical alkene, which contains less number of hydrogen atom because it produces a stable carbocation, and this way we proved the Markovnikov's rule. Thank you very much.